Birthday, birthday.
And this.
It's your birthday.
And this.
It's my birthday too.
This. And this.
Hello everyone and hi grandma. Happy birthday to you. The song I played was for you. Wish you have a long life, stay healthy and try get a lot of money. Love you and miss you. Maybe see you 2, 3 or next year. But I really want to see all of you in the future. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I always pray to Jesus you have a good health. I really hope you have a nice birthday. I hope you can go here soon when I'm 7. And I hope you can go to the park and sometimes pick me up when I'm at school. And anything else.
Say we love you.
We love you. You're the best grandma in the world. I'm proud of you. Happy birthday, Grandma Mimi. I love you, Grandma Mimi.
Happy birthday! Vlogis mo. Ba? Oh no! Vlogis to Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma! We love you!
Happy birthday, Mama! I hope you enjoyed the surprise. You deserve it, and I hope that we'll see each other soon. Tagal ka na namin pinapersuade to go here, but you can't, and we understand. But next time, I hope we can spend more time together with the kids and Papa and Jat and the rest of my ate. And I just hope that you'll have a good health all the time, peace of mind, and try to relax and enjoy life more. Mama, I'm wanting to say that I'm very grateful for you. I'm very happy and I feel that I'm blessed that God gave me you. It's a song. No, I mean, swerte ka kami nila ate na ikaw yung mama namin because we learned a lot in life. I remember, no, lagi mo kaming papagalitan, mag-oversleep lang kami, galit ka na agad. Hindi lang masunod yung buksan niya electric fan, galit ka na agad. But, you know, those days are funny. Those are core memories that we like to keep in ourselves and share with the siblings. And still intact. And, you know, Mama, totoo yung sinabi mo talaga na all the things na tinuturuan mo kami ngayon, it's very useful. And sobrang happy and grateful ako sa mga tinuro mo sa amin. Tsaka sa efforts and mga sacrifices. Alam mo na yun, mga syempre hirap natin from before. But, lahat naman yung lesson. But look at you now, your dream job. At the age of 60, nasa government ka, gustong-gusto mo yan, ayaw mong iwan. That's why you will go here because of your job. And I'm happy that you're enjoying it. And I hope na, Mama, have more time for yourself. Not just for Papa and Jat, but enjoy life a bit more. Okay, Mama, see you soon. Please do come here. We love you.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat, sa pag-welcome mo sa akin, sa family.
Happy birthday!
Wish you
I
good
love
health
you!
and more birthdays to come. And maraming salamat sa pag-guide at ano mo kay kasi nagkaroon ako ng isang ano ito, yung asawang complete ba. And that's because of you, ma. Maraming salamat. I hope you will enjoy your day today in celebrating your birthday. Thank you so much and I love you. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Hello, Ma! Happy birthday! Na-surprise ka ba? Nagustuhan mo yung surprise namin? Ayun, sana nagustuhan mo siya. Sana naging happy ka sa na-prepare namin. Hindi man siya ganun ka-ingrande, pero yun pa lang kasi yung kaya namin when it comes to time, when it comes to organizing, when it comes to budget. Pero ayun, sana magustuhan mo. Ayun, message ko sa'yo, Ma. Siyempre, unang-una, magte-thank you ko kay God kasi binigyan kami ng mama na katulad mo, ganoon na rin si Papa. Thank you sa mga kung paano mo kami tinrain nung bata kami. Kasi, ayun, kaya namin maging independent talaga. Tapos alam din namin paano magtiis. Sunod, Ma, ayun, thank you kasi sa lahat ng sacrifices mo sa amin. Kitang-kita naman namin yun. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Kasi mamaya maiyak tayo dito lahat. Tapos, ayun, Ma, sana mas i-bless ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahaba pang buhay. Sana gawin ka pa niyang healthy, yung wala ganong iniisip, at happy lang ba? Peace of mind, importante yon para healthy ka. Wag na ganong magpakapagod, Ma. Tapos, ayun lang, sana naging happy ka sa surprise namin. Always remember na nandito lang ako kapag may nandito na ako to support you, kayo ni Papa, kayo ni Jat. Kung may blessings, i-share natin, i-share ko. Ayun, sabi-sabi lang. Basta gusto ko lang lagi ko mag-pray. Healthy kayong Papa. At lagi kayong safe. No? Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit, Ma. And thank you sa lahat na nagpunta. Sana na-surprise talaga si Mama. Hindi na disclose yung surprise party. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Ma. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal ka ng family namin. Si Inigo, si Sancho. Love ka nila. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
This. Oh, and this. This. I want this. This.